Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Hit it.
So I'm Rory, this is my dad, and I'm making chicken tenders.
Let's go. So, here's what we're gonna do, okay?
Okay.
I got the bag out.
Okay.
So these are chicken tenders, okay?
Okay.
They were frozen. They're still a little cold.
Okay.
So here's what we're gonna do, okay? I'm gonna get a little pan, right?
Okay.
We're gonna season them.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna put them in the smoker for a little bit.
Okay.
And then after that, we're gonna put some breading on them.
Okay.
And then we're gonna put them back on, and they're gonna be super crispy, super tasty, and then we'll test them out and see how they do, okay?
With like a sandwich? Like a sandwich?
Not a sandwich, but we're just gonna make them straight up, okay?
Okay.
All right, so where'd my pan go? So chicken tenders are a thing that every kid loves, and it's something that's always a debate in my house of whether we just...
Dad, you're gonna stand
You want me to stand over here?
Yes.
Okay. So, one of the things we always ask Rory when he wants to eat dinner is he always wants chicken tenders. And I'll be honest, I have given in and gotten Chick-fil-A, Raising Cane's, all that kind of stuff. But I really think it's easy to make it at your house as long as you kind of know the steps. And if you have a smoker or a grill or anything like that, it's actually pretty simple. So what we got here is a bag of frozen tenderloins. And we're gonna go ahead and just pretty much just dump all these into the pan here. Okay. Okay.
What in the world?
That's chicken.
Doesn't look like chicken right now.
What do you think it comes from?
Fish.
You think chicken comes from fish? And this is organic.
Okay.
You know why we pick organic?
Why?
Because there's no hormones, there's no extra stuff in there, it's just chicken. Okay?
Okay.
And it means the chickens, they eat good stuff, so they're from happy chickens, okay?
Happy chickens.
You never seen a happy chicken before? What does a happy chicken sound like? What do you think?
I don't know.
You don't know what what does a chicken sound like?
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
That's a rooster. Which I guess is still technically chicken, that's fine. Okay, so we've got our chicken. What are we gonna season it with? You wanna pick one? All right, let's go. That one? That one's kind of spicy.
No, that one.
That one? You wanna do that?
Yes.
All right. You wanna smell it first?
Yes.
Okay. So he's picking Killer Hogs, the barbecue rub. Thank you, Malcolm. Go ahead and give that a little sniff. You wanna go with that one? Okay. So here's what we're gonna do. All right?
Yes.
You wanna shake the seasoning on there?
Yes.
I'm gonna put some gloves on first, okay? Because you never wanna touch raw chicken, okay? This is raw.
So
Okay.
can I put some gloves on too?
Not yet. Okay?
Wait.
Hey. All right, you wanna go ahead and shake it on there?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Okay, I'm gonna mix this up, okay?
Okay.
Do you wanna mix it up with me?
Yes.
Okay, let me get you some gloves.
But they're too big.
That's okay.
Fine.
Too big has never really been a problem in my life.
So big.
So Rory, what grade are you in right now?
Kinder.
Kindergarten? Yeah, didn't you just graduate to first grade?
No.
You didn't graduate kindergarten?
I did.
I went to your graduation ceremony. Come on.
Okay, I'm figuring out.
You're figuring it out?
Figuring it out.
Oh, figuring it out, okay. All right, so now we're gonna put our hands in here. We're gonna mix the mix, okay? Go ahead. Go ahead. We're wearing gloves because our hands are gonna get dirty, okay? Honestly, this is a great way to get your kids involved whenever you're trying to barbecue something that, you don't want them to mess up because these are pretty hard to mess up. Okay, let's take a look. What do you think? Are we good?
Yes.
I think we use a little more seasoning. What do you think?
Yes.
Go nuts. Go crazy. Okay, that's perfect. Thank you. All right. Okay. I think we're good to go. A little seasoned up. So this is gonna be kind of a two-step process with this, okay, bud? We're gonna put these on the smoker in the pan for only a little bit.
Okay, how much?
Probably like 15, 20 minutes, okay?
Okay.
And then after that, we're gonna mix them up again.
Okay.
Do another 15, 20 minutes.
Okay.
And then we're gonna take them out and do something else.
Okay.
We got it?
Yes.
Can I get a fist bump? Let's do it. Yeah. So, hey, what is your favorite subject at school?
Tablets.
That's not a subject.
No, there is tablets.
Yeah, but that's not a subject. Subject is like math or science or reading.
Science.
What's your favorite thing to do in science?
Create stuff.
Create. Almost like what we're doing right now, right? We're creating chicken tenders, right? Yeah. Little chicken
And
fingers.
then when I did that, I put like a something else in
Like
it.
what?
Like a mushroom. Then it
A
turned into
mushroom?
You're
You're gonna put a mushroom in this?
No, not a mushroom. When I did the serum, I put like a
serum?
a marshmallow in it. Then it turned it into a stick. Have it. Then it was like golden. The marshmallow. No, I'm not joking. It was
Marshmallows, mushrooms again?
marshmallow. No. When I put that golden serum on it, then when I waited and when I put the stick in it, I weighed it in a big cup that had like water in it. Then it attached to it. Then it went on it.
I don't know how you guys aren't following this.
Then I know.
Totally. I can't wait to show this at your wedding day. You want to have it with Chick-fil-A sauce and barbecue sauce? We're gonna have both out.
Yes, we can have like Chick-fil-A sauce, barbecue sauce, and ketchup.
Why not ranch?
Yes, 4.
4? Oh my god. So we're gonna taste test each one of those sauces with our chicken fingers?
Yes.
Okay, I'm good with that. Are you ready? Okay, can I have you serious? Stand up. Okay, seriously. All right, so our chicken's about ready to get breaded. So I'm gonna take it off the smoker and then we're gonna do a little shake and bake. Now, this is hot, so I don't want you to touch it, okay? Can you put some gloves on? So here's what we're gonna do, okay, bud? All right, we're gonna take a piece of chicken. Okay, we're gonna dip it in the water real quick,
Why?
and then we're gonna put it in the bag.
Okay.
Okay, can you hold that bag open for me?
But I said that was my bag.
It is your bag.
Keep
it open.
Why do I have to wear gloves?
Because this chicken is not cooked yet, and we have to be safe. Okay, your bag,
Okay.
my bag. Here's what we're gonna do, okay?
Okay. What is that?
You'll see.
Cheese?
Nope.
Didn't say it's good.
I want you to shake the heck out of this, okay? Can you do that for me?
Yes.
Don't let it get open.
It's like trying to punch it.
So, we got these all breaded up now.
Okay.
We're gonna take it back to the smoker,
Okay.
and we're gonna let them finish.
Okay.
And then afterwards, we're gonna have chicken tender. Does that sound good?
Yes.
He needs to wash his hands. Get the wiggles out. There you go. Get the wiggles out. Remember that scene from Happy Gilmore when he's like, we're done. These are still gonna be really hot, okay?
Okay.
Well, I see we got our sauces out. You wanna squeeze them out? What do we got there?
Chick-fil-A sauce.
Chick-fil-A sauce. I'll get some barbecue, okay?
Okay. Now I'll do the ranch.
Okay, that's enough, that's enough, that's enough.
And I'll do the ranch.
You're gonna do the ranch?
Yep.
Okay.
Don't bring me over it. Bring me over that.
Okay, I think this one is probably perfect for you. Buddy. Buddy. Okay, so that's your tender.
Okay.
I'm gonna take this one, okay? All right, so let's recap real quick. Look at me. Let's recap real quick, okay? So we smoked these for a little bit
Okay.
with the barbecue rub that you picked.
Okay.
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 Then we breaded them with shake and bake. And then we put them back in the smoker, and now they're done.
Okay.
Okay. This is gonna be really hot. How's that?
Good.
Okay. Wait. You got your dip. What do we say? Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Better than Chick-fil-A? Yeah? And I'm open on Sunday, baby. That's what I'm talking about. How's it taste?
Good.
What do you taste?
I taste the flavor.
Yeah? Is it good? Is it spicy?
No.
Did you have fun? That's the most important part. Need you to do me a favor. Need you to tell them to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay? Go. To the camera. Say like, comment, and subscribe.
Comment, and subscribe.
We'll see you guys next time. Cheers.